Today we got a side post battery disconnect switch. Okay, so this bolt that came with the kit is obsolete. This bolt obsolete because we can get it threaded in, but it's not tight enough. We'd either have to do washers or something else. So what we're gonna go do, we're gonna go buy a bolt extender for this right here. And so with that, this is the old terminal, right? Side post terminal. Works good, right? But if we do this, it keeps going. There's not enough threads to catch on. So you're about to go find one of these that is longer so we can connect this up. And then this over here, we'll go right here on the car side, right? Because that threads in perfectly. And then like that, and then in theory, we want to turn the battery off, disconnect it. We just go like that, turn it off. Simple enough, right? So let's go hit Walmart. So we got this bolt extender right here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so now we're back at the same issue, right? Where we don't have enough threads with this on here. So let's see. Now we got this big gap, right? Back with this piece here, I had to modify it. As you can see, it looks ugly now. But you here. Look at all those threads we got. Alright, that thing is snug. That's in there. Basically, you buy this kit here, buy you an extender bolt, and then grind down the washer or go buy a stack of washers, whichever route you prefer, and get it in. And now we can put this battery back in the car and connect our terminals up to here and here, and we should be good to go. This green thing off, the battery is dead. But you gotta take it all the way out. And there you have it. That is the finished product. Got the battery disconnect on there. Just turn that green knob and it'll disconnect. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.